Hello friends, welcome back to our new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to pair Bluetooth earbud to our Motorola phone. Guys, you want to pair this Bluetooth earbud to your phone, so as you can pair. And guys, now let's see how to pair Bluetooth earbud to your phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to pair it. Then guys, click on this connected device. Guys, click on pair new device. So as you want to pair, so guys click here. Then guys take out your earbuds. As you want to pair one, so I take one. As you want to pair both, so I take both. And guys, so we will refresh, and then guys you can see guys this earbud name. So guys click on your earbud name. So I have got this TWS earbud. Then guys you can see this notification, pair notification. So yes, we want to pair, so guys pair. So it will pair in your phone. Then guys you can use your Bluetooth earbud to your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to pair Bluetooth earbud to our phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.